An enormous problem of persistent pain is emerging due to an aging population and an increasingly sedentary lifestyle. That's where Hinge Health comes in. It's a digital health company developing a platform to scale and automate care, improve outcomes, and reduce costs for musculoskeletal (MSK) care, primarily through the use of AI and machine learning to provide personalized and largely automated MSK care to its members. The platform consists of AI-powered motion tracking technology, a proprietary electrical nerve stimulation wearable device, and an AI-supported care team of licensed physical therapists, physicians, and health coaches. The care team leverages this technology for designing and monitoring plans, delivering improved member outcomes, personalized experiences, and cost reductions for clients. Hinge Health's platform offers a wide range of support with multiple programs, including those for chronic pain, surgical interventions, and post-surgery rehabilitation. A broad spectrum of MSK care is addressed, from acute injury to chronic pain and post-surgical rehabilitation. Their approach focuses on 4 key aspects: simplicity and accessibility, completeness, personalization, and scalability. The company's platform is accessible through a single on-demand app, allowing members to engage in exercise therapy sessions from anywhere and at any time. According to the company, its platform reduced the number of human care team hours associated with traditional physical therapy by approximately 95%. Their go-to-market model is designed to be scalable and repeatable for efficient growth, mainly by working directly with partners and clients, including self-insured employers and health plans. The company has experienced significant growth since its inception with a recurring revenue business model. Even back at the end of 2024, Hinge Health already had over 532,000 members, more than 2,250 clients, an annual revenue of $390.4 million, with gross margin of 77%. They've also achieved a high level of client satisfaction with a client net promoter score, NPS, of 87. Hinge Health has a strong partner network, including 4 out of the 5 largest national health plans by self-insured lives and the top 3 pharmacy benefit managers. However, its current contracted lives only represent 5% of its total addressable market, indicating significant room for growth. Musculoskeletal (MSK) conditions are a significant global health issue, affecting an estimated 1.7 billion people worldwide and contributing to disability, reduced quality of life, and substantial economic burden. In the United States, approximately 40% of adults suffered from an MSK disorder in 2021, according to the World Health Organization (WHO) estimator. MSK pain can have debilitating effects on mental well-being, ability to work, and overall quality of life. A study conducted by Hinge Health and a third-party research firm in 2023 found that pain, especially chronic pain, can create a vicious cycle of fear, depression, sleep, and activity avoidance, which can negatively impact daily life and work. The economic burden of MSK conditions is substantial, with an estimated annual aggregate total direct spend of $661 billion in 2023 and an additional $624 billion in indirect costs, such as worker productivity loss, resulting in a total MSK burden of nearly $1.3 trillion. MSK conditions are one of the top drivers of healthcare spending in the United States, accounting for nearly $1 in $7 spent on healthcare expenses in 2023. Employers are also significantly impacted, with approximately 74% of employers reporting that MSK conditions were a top 3 driver of their healthcare spending in 2024. The current approach to MSK pain management is often ineffective, costly, and unsustainable. Medical literature suggests that conservative care management through physical therapy should be the first-line treatment for many chronic MSK conditions. However, there is often a disconnect between the care that is needed and the care that is received. Barriers to traditional physical therapy include cost, access, and the need for patients to take time off work or coordinate childcare. Even when physical therapy appointments are available, courses of treatment can be expensive and require multiple sessions, often with copays and lost productivity. The legacy system for treating MSK conditions is often difficult to access, expensive, incomplete, and can drive people to potentially avoidable surgeries, injections, and pain medications. People in pain often need more than just physical therapy to improve their condition, and providing exercise therapy alone can leave a gap in the care needed. According to the company's analysis of health claims data, approximately 62% of MSK costs in 2022 were associated with surgeries, despite studies suggesting that certain surgical treatments for MSK conditions show little to no benefit over non-surgical treatment. A review of high-quality clinical practice guidelines demonstrated that conservative care was consistently recommended as the first line of treatment for the most common MSK pain sites. The need for a scalable alternative to traditional MSK care is clear. Hinge Health aims to address these challenges by providing a digital platform that leverages technology to scale and automate care, improve outcomes, and reduce costs. By offering a comprehensive and accessible solution, Hinge Health seeks to bridge the gap between the care that is needed and the care that is received, ultimately reducing the economic burden of MSK conditions and improving the quality of life for individuals suffering from MSK pain. Hinge Health believes there is a substantial opportunity to transform the way individuals approach physical therapy, treatment of chronic and acute pain, and care management for MSK conditions using technology and AI. The company's core market in the United States alone has a significant need for MSK care, with approximately 40% of adults suffering from an MSK disorder in 2021. According to the MSK Total Addressable Market TAM report, MSK medical costs rose to an estimated $661 billion in annual aggregate total direct spend in 2023, with over $70 billion spent on physical therapy. The company sees a large addressable market opportunity in several segments, including self-insured employers, fully insured employers, Medicare Advantage, federal insurance plans, government agencies, and government healthcare programs. In the self-insured market, Hinge Health estimates an addressable market opportunity of approximately $10 billion, based on its analysis of health claims data and pricing methodology. By expanding into other segments, the company believes it can address an additional 208 million lives, representing an additional addressable market opportunity of $17 billion. Hinge Health is also strategically expanding into international markets, starting with Canada and several European countries. There are plans to support its clients' employees in key geographies and eventually expand to non-US-based employers and government payers. While in the early stages of international expansion, Hinge Health believes this move could increase its number of contracted lives. The company has a history of product innovation and plans to continue expanding its programs. Recent launches include a program for women's pelvic health and specialized MSK care for women in their perimenopause, menopause, and postmenopausal phases. As Hinge Health introduces new programs, it expects to further expand its addressable market opportunity by increasing the eligible lives that can benefit from its technology platform. The demand for physical therapy is expected to increase due to an aging population and sedentary lifestyle, while a shortage of physical therapists persists. Hinge Health believes it is well positioned to address this large and durable market opportunity, leveraging its technology platform to provide scalable and accessible MSK care. The platform uses AI-powered motion tracking technology to provide exercise adjustments in real time remotely, reducing the human hours associated with traditional physical therapy and resulting in a more scalable and personalized model of care. Hinge Health's programs are customized based on a member's affected areas and movement threshold, and the company continually expands its platform with new programs, capabilities, and features. Some recent additions include fall prevention, as well as the integration of true motion technology to replace wearable sensors. The platform's value proposition is centered around its members, with a focus on delivering substantial outcomes, accessibility, comprehensive care, personalization, education, and seamless experiences. It has been shown to be effective in reducing pain and improving outcomes, with a 10,000-member cohort study demonstrating a 68% average improvement in pain and a 58% reduction in depression and anxiety after 12 weeks. Members can access MSK care resources directly from their phone or tablet at their convenience, and the platform is typically offered at no direct cost to members. The care team consists of physical therapists, physicians, and health coaches that work to combat care gaps by pairing technology with human support. The AI-driven personalization engine estimates a member's risk profile and develops a tailored care plan, which evolves over time as the member's condition changes. Education is prioritized, helping members understand their condition, treatment options, and lifestyle factors that influence their pain. Hinge Health's platform has received high ratings, with a 4.9 rating on the Apple App Store and Google Play Store based on approximately 80,000 combined reviews. The company believes its platform can address needs across demographics, occupations, and lifestyles, and it continually looks for ways to further health equity. By redesigning the exercise therapy experience and making it more accessible, easy to use, and personalized, Hinge Health aims to encourage adherence and improve outcomes for its members. Hinge Health's platform provides significant value to its clients, which are primarily self-insured employers and include many of the nation's leading enterprises across various industries and sizes. The value proposition for clients is closely aligned with the value provided to members, with added benefits that include measurable outcomes and cost savings, scalability and care equality, employee well-being and productivity, ability to attract and retain talent, and simplicity of implementation. For clients, the platform demonstrates medical claims-backed cost savings coupled with measurable outcomes for members. Studies have shown that the platform can lead to significant cost savings, with one study estimating an ROI of 2.4 times for clients included in the study. The scalability of the platform enables care equality by ensuring that all eligible lives within a client's workforce have access to high-quality MSK care, regardless of the size of the workforce. This helps clients provide equitable health outcomes in MSK care for their entire covered population. The platform also contributes to employee well-being and productivity by addressing both physical and mental aspects of MSK pain. By providing outcomes information to clients, such as reported pain-related work absenteeism or impaired work productivity, Hinge Health helps clients quantify the impact of its program on members. Additionally, the platform's ability to improve health outcomes and provide a positive employee experience can be a draw for clients when recruiting talent. Hinge Health's platform is designed to simplify implementation for clients, streamlining processes, and eliminating time-related impairments. By partnering with health plans, PBMs, TPAs, and other ecosystem partners, Hinge Health simplifies contracting and implementation, achieving in weeks what typically takes much longer in healthcare. Value is also created for ecosystem partners, including health plans, PBMs, TPAs, digital health providers, centers of excellence, healthcare navigation partners, brokers, and consultants. Hinge Health's platform serves as a source of innovation, providing superior member experiences and positive outcomes across a wide range of clients and demographics. The scalability of the platform enables partners to confidently extend it to their covered populations, regardless of size, and provides consistent, high-quality MSK care to members. By partnering with Hinge Health, ecosystem partners can potentially increase cost savings, optimize their star ratings, and simplify client implementation. The company's platform also helps partners address disparities and create greater care access and equality, ultimately leading to better health outcomes for members. Furthermore, Hinge Health's data and interventions, combined with partners' claims and prior authorization data, enable the company to serve high-risk members more immediately, which is a top priority for partners. Hinge Health's competitive strengths are rooted in its scale and market leadership, member-first software-led digital care delivery, AI technology and data advantage, scalable and efficient go-to-market strategy, outcomes for members and ROI to clients, and platform extensibility and proven record of innovation. The company's scale and market leadership position it as a leading digital MSK platform in the United States. Hinge Health's partnerships with health plans, PBMs, TPAs, and other ecosystem partners further solidify its market position. The member-first software-led digital care delivery model provides a seamless member experience accessible on demand via a single app. Overall, the AI-powered delivery model enables automation of care at scale, monitored by its care team, allowing members to benefit from the technology and expertise of the entire platform. Hinge Health actively deploys large language models across its databases and implements new uses of AI on its platform. Its proprietary exercise personalization engine leverages machine learning from over 1 million lifetime members, and its AI-powered motion tracking technology provides members with real-time audio and visual feedback during exercise sessions. Hinge Health's scalable and efficient go-to-market strategy is driven by its partner relationships, which provide an important competitive advantage. The company's partners collaborate with its sales force to win new clients, and when Hinge Health enters into an agreement with a partner, it typically wins a large majority of the employers using that partner who go on to select a digital MSK solution. The company's outcomes for members and ROI to clients are also significant strengths. The company has increased the number of affected areas addressed by its programs from 2 at inception to 16 and counting. Recent innovations include the introduction of ENSO, an FDA-cleared wearable device, and the development of Hinge Connect, a proprietary AI-driven database for real-time care interventions and external provider coordination. The company's growth strategy is focused on expanding its client base in core markets, increasing adoption across its existing client base, launching new programs, and expanding into new markets. In terms of expanding its client base, Hinge Health plans to leverage its experienced sales force and strong relationships with health plans, benefits consultants, and other ecosystem partners to address the sizable growth opportunity in the self-insured employer market. The company also plans to expand into new markets, including fully insured health plan populations, Medicare Advantage populations, and federal insurance plans, which represent an estimated 96 million additional lives in the United States. Hinge Health is also expanding globally, starting with Canada and several European countries, and plans to support its clients' employees in key geographies. The company believes that international expansion could increase its number of contracted lives and provide a significant growth opportunity. In addition to expanding its client base and entering new markets, Hinge Health plans to increase adoption across its existing client base by leveraging its partner integrations, proprietary Hinge Connect AI-driven database, and growth team's capabilities to reach out to eligible lives when they are most likely to benefit from its platform. There are also plans to launch new programs and capabilities driven by investment in its platform, including an expansion of its women's pelvic health and fall prevention programs and further AI use cases. For more on Hinge Health and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.